सदाशिवसमारम्भां शङ्कराचार्यमध्यमाम् अस्मदाचार्यपर्यन्तां वन्दे गुरुपरम्पराम्. Page 128, verse 4. Bhavoyam bhavanamatra na kinchit paramarthatah nastya bhavasvabhavanam bhava bhava vibhavinam. Ashtavakra, talking about a jnani and his way of perception towards himself and towards the world. Jnani knows that there are only two things in the world. One is Atma, another is Anatma. Anatma is Mithya, as good as non-existent. Whatever is existent, it is always existent. It is its nature. It can never become non-existent. Bhavaha. Whatever is non-existent, its nature is non-existent. It can never become existent. Atma is existent principle, ever existent principle. It can never have abhavaha. Na asti abhavaha. Bhavasya abhavaha na bhavati. Abhavasya bhavaha api na. Bhavasya abhavaha na bhavati. Bhavasya abhavaha na bhavati. Bhava means existence. Abhavaha means non-existence. Bhava abhava swabhava. Bhava means existence, its swabhava, nature, is always bhava, is always existent. So it can never have non-existence. Therefore, bhava, swabhava, abhavaha na bhavati. That which has got existence nature can never have non-existence. Then, abhavanam, abhava swabhava, non-existent nature also can never have its abhava. What that abhava? Abhava nature. Abhava, non-existent nature can never become non-existent. Very, very twisting words, very, very twisting. Bhava, abhava, second line, second half, bhava, abhava. Bhava means existence, abhava means non-existence. That abhava swabhava, non-existent nature. Anatma is of a non-existent nature. It is apparently existent, as good as non-existent. Therefore, it is always unreal. It cannot loses its non-existentiality. Abhava, the non-existent can never loses its non-existentiality. Existent can never loses its existentiality. So, the Vibhavi is Sakshi, the witnesser. Vibhavi, I the Sakshi am ever present. Sakshyam is unreal, Sakshi is real. Sakshi of absent can never become absent. Sakshi of absent can never become absent. Why? Witnesser of an absent thing will become absent. If the witnesser of the absent will become absent, there is no witnesser. You cannot talk about absence. The clip is non-existent. Suppose I say, I am the witnesser of clip non-existence. Can I become non-existent? The moment I talk absence of an object, it itself proves my presence. The absence of the clip, absence of clip, who will know? I, the observer, witnesser. So, Sakshi, who is Sakshi? I am Sakshi, witnesser. Sakshi of, suppose here there is no pot. I am the witnesser of absent of pot. I am the witnesser of absent of pot. Am I absent or present? Present. So therefore, Sakshi of absent, who am I? I am the Sakshi of absent of pot. I am seeing the pot absence. I am the witnesser of the pot absence. That's why Sakshi of absent pot is not absent. Ada vibhavinam. Jnani knows that I am the witness consciousness, existent principle. I never lose my existentiality. The world depending upon me, the existent principle for its existence. Nama Rupa Prapancha depending upon the existent consciousness. Very, very crucial shloka this is. We have to contemplate. Up to here we saw in the last class. Now we will read shloka number 5. Na duram na cha sankochat labdhamevatmanah padam nirvikalpam nirayasam nirvikaram niranjanam. All these slokas are nididhyasana slokas. Sura sudure tadihanti kechan. Upanishadic mantra. How far Atman? It is very far for unknown people. Atma is very far for ignorant people. Atma is very close for known people. Atma Jnani ki Atma is close himself. So, look into the sloka. Na duram na cha sankochat. Atma is not far away. It is not far away. Therefore, don't look for Atma outside. Na duram. It's not far away. Nor nacha sankochat. It is not limited. Atma is not limited by space or time. Kala desha avadibhyam nirmuktam. So, Atma is not confined to the place, to the space. Atma is so and so place, so and so time it is available. No. Na sankochat. There is no sankocha for Atma. I, the Atma, am pervading this body, in all bodies, in between also, Atma is there, but not available for perception. Just as electricity is not perceptible. Why electricity? Even water. In between there is water. Water is perceptible in your water bottle, and water is there in the moisture form. Everywhere water is there. Like that, I, the Atma, available in the body and not available for transaction in between. Now what you are seeing? My hand you are seeing. In this 2 fingers you are seeing. Are you seeing or not? How you are seeing? Because of light. Are you seeing light in between 2 fingers? Are you able to see light between 2 fingers? Now light is there or not in between 2 fingers? Can you say there is no light? Really speaking, because of light only you are able to see that gap. Not reptile eye, okay? I don't think election is coming. No. So, 2 fingers you are able to see. The perception of the fingers proves the existence of light. Similarly, the perception of the entire world, the perception of every nama, rupa, proves the existence of the perceiver. I, the consciousness. I, the perceiver, consciousness in everyone, I am there as perceiver. If nama rupa is there, we perceive. Otherwise what? We won't perceive. I remain as existent consciousness principle. Na sankochat. Where am I? Labdhameva atmanaha padam. This goal, what people are telling, no? My goal, spiritual goal. I am working for spiritual goal. Moksha purushartha padam. Atma padam. Parama padam. I want to attain moksha. I want to reach liberation. I want to get liberation. Ashtavakra says, labdhameva. Already you are Atma only. Labdhameva Atmanaha Padam. Siddha Vastu. Being Atma and searching for Atma. Like the 10th man story. 10 Sishyas are crossing the river to go to other side. While crossing, all of them have crossed and reached that side. And students, they want to count everyone. All of us have reached or not. They have started counting. One student, one Sishya is counting all other Sishyas. Ask them to stand up in line. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Then he started crying. 10th man missing. 10th Sishya gone, drowned in the water. And crying and hitting his head to the tree. How can I answer to my guru? One Sishya gone. How to answer my guru is crying. Then one person who is Apta Bandhu, well-wisher, somebody is walking and asked, what is matter here? Why you are crying? I have lost my colleague. We have missed him. He died in this water, in the river. We have to be 10, but we are only 9. Then Guru asked, that person was seeing from there itself. Another person, sadhu. He saw 10 people already. Then asked him, you count all of them. Again he started counting. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. See, lost. You are tat tvam asi. Dashamaha tvam asi. You are the 10th man. Like that, labdhameva. Labdhameva. Already 10th man he himself. But thinking what? Missing. 10th man missing. Who is saying 10th man? 10th man telling 10th man missing. Like that, story nanna irukku. I the Atma, being Atma myself, what am I doing? Self-realization. Self-realization. I want to know self. I want to get Atma Jnana Swamini. Being Atma myself, Recognize that you are that Atma. You means mano, buddhi, ahankara, chittani, na aham. Intellectually separate them. It is not 1 day or 2 days job. Decades it will take. But worth to do this job. All other job, let them be there. But this is the main job. This job really, this job, if you fulfill this jnanam, you get PHS. Not PhD, PHS. You know what is PHS. So, labdhameva atmanaha, underline. Labdhameva. Kaanume Swamini, naan atmani theriya maatingiradhu. You have to study for a length of time systematically. You can understand. Atmanaha padam labdhameva. What type of Atma? Atma nature, he says, nirvikalpam, attributeless. Atma is free from all parts, attributes. It doesn't have any attributes. Nirvikalpam. Then nirayasam. Ayasam means effort. Nirayasam. In Atma, there is no ayasa. Once you remain and the manas thoughts, if you just suspend some time, you see the ananda, anayasa. Ella ayasam edukku theriyuma namakku. And the manas, along with the mind, we are carried. And we forget that we are carried away by the mind also. That is the beauty, Maya beauty. We are carried away by the mind and its thoughts. And look at the mind sometime. Give rest to the mind. You are remaining in Atma Swarupam. But where we are giving time, even Nididhyasanam also, Dhyanam also, we are so efficient to continue the other Dhyanam. Dhyayato Vishayan Pumsaha. Now, Vendana Varadi Swamini Anna. Adane Manasu. I am not planning, but they are coming. Watch your mind. Watch. Why you are becoming one with the mind? If you recognize that, that is Nirayasam, Atma Swarupam, I am. Nirvikaram, no change at all, no modifications in that. All vikaras are only belong to mind, body. If I am carried away by this body, mind all the time, again I am having ayasa. Burden. Life is a struggle. Life is a struggle. Therefore, if I understand my real nature, life is an entertainment. Cinema or serial, comedy also be there, tragedy also be there. Whether it is comedy is also entertainment. What about tragedy? Tragedy in the serial or cinema, is it entertainment or not? Life is also like that. Life is also, for a jnani, life is also another serial. Every serial or cinema must have comedy and tragedy. Just as you see them as entertainment in spite of tragedy, you are seeing it as an entertainment or not? We are not switched off, no? We are switching off. Carefully you listen it. And you enjoy that really. Hero paru eppudu act pandrano. Tragedy danne kannu moodi ukkarlame anna. You know that inside it is an entertainment. And you applaud the hero, heroine, their action. Really, they have lived in the character, you say. Why can't you live in the character, your role? Why can't you also live in your role? Ashtavakra is asking. Live in your role. Act nicely, get claps from Paramatma. So we need not look at the tragedy, failures in the life. We need not run away. Why? Anyhow, it is mithya, anatma, nama rupa. Let them move. Let there be a comedy also, sukha also. Dukkha is tragedy, sukha is comedy. Pleasure and pain, both are entertainment. For whom? For Ashtavakra student. And sollano ipo nanu. For Ashtavakra student. Sollamilliyo? Dhairyama. Nirvikaram. So all vikaras only where ahankara, body, mind complex. Where is it? Very intimate, very close to me. Niranjanam. Anjanam means dirt, pollution. Niranjanam, nirgataha anjanam. There is no any spot, any sort of dirt or pollution in the Atma. Asangoham, punah punaha. I am not touched by the body mind complex. Body problem, old age and death are not there to me. Hunger and thirst of pranamaya kosha are not there to me. They are belong to prana. And raga, dvesha belong to the mind, are not there in me. They belong to only mind. I am the observer. Like that you have to again and again say to yourself. Therefore, who am I now? In Anjanam, I am Niranjanam. In Anjanam means what? The body mind has got its own defects, dosham. In spite of that, I am Niranjanam. Just as the dream world cannot touch the waker. Really speaking, there is no dream world other than waker. Similarly, body-mind complex is unreal matter, flesh, blood, bones. But we are not remembering this and suffering along with that body-mind. Ashtavakra says, why you are suffering? Is it necessary? And kekrar. Namma keka matom. Therefore, choice is yours. Next shloka, number 6. Vyamoha matra viratau Swarupadana matratah Vita shoka virajante Niravarana drishtayah Brahmaiva na Brahmavit. Upanishad. In Mundaka Upanishad, Bhashyam, Acharya writes, Aham Brahmaeva. Even I am not the Brahmavit. I am not the knower of Brahman. Why? If I am the knower of Brahman, what will happen? Brahman will become object. You want to make Brahman object like all other objects. Therefore, I am not a Brahmavit. Then who am I? Brahmaeva. Therefore, never say I am the knower of Brahman. After going home, after studying Ashtavakra Gita, I am the knower of Brahman. If I know Brahman and Sollakodadu, Kenopanishad, care of. What Guru said? If you say, I know Brahman, Nunameva, you have understood very little. Therefore, you have to do analysis. Therefore, never say, I know Brahman. Then what to say? Don't say anything. Then what? Remain as Brahman. Abiding in Brahman, claiming, owning, I am Brahman. That's what he says here. Swarupa adana matrataha. Swarupa means what? Atma. My swarupam is Atma Swarupam. Adana Matrataha. Just by Adana means what? Claiming, owning. Vyamoha Matra Viratau. Vyamoha means Ahankara, Mamakara, Vyamoha. I am this body mind complex. I am so and so. These are all mine. I am and mine. Use them but never say that you are that. I am a wife, I am a husband. That is a role of the body mind complex. Indriyashu indriyardheshu vartante. Indriyani indriyartheshu vartante. Never say I am so and so. You interact but never claim that you are really wife. You are really husband. You are really a daughter. That is a role, temporary role. If I claim I am husband, really if I am claim, that's called Vyamoham. And husband, if I claim my wife, then if I claim as my father I am, my children comes. I am son of so and so, daughter of so and so, all will come. Ahankara comes, Mamakara will come. That is called Vyamoha, delusion. Viratau, the one who is free from. Vyamoha Matra. Matra means as soon as you drop this I-ness and mineness. I-ness and mineness. Mindness. Ahankara, I-ness. Mamakara, mindness. Never have strong likes and dislikes towards body, mind and relations. Just use them. Take care of them. But never obsessed with that. Relations, possessions, all those things. Vyamoha matra virato. Virataha means not reveling in them. Not carried away by them. Rati means reveling. Reveling in that ahankara and mamakara, possessions, profession, family, relations. A lot of things mind is carried away by them all the time. That is called ratihi, reveling, enjoying. Virataha means not reveling in the body, mind, ahankara complex. Then what? Swarupa adana matrataha. Once you claim I am Atman, then what? Next line, Vita shokaha bhavanti. They are free from sorrow. Are you free from sorrow? I am trying, Swamini, now. I am trying. Try. All the best. Try. Vita shokaha bhavanti. Niravarana drishtayaha virajante. They virajante means they exist. They are remaining. Virajante means they remain in the society. How? Niravarana drishtayaha. Without any avarana, drishti. Avarana means what? Ahankara, mamakara is avarana. This belongs to me, that belongs to me, my people, my family. All these called avaranam. That avarana is not there in this person. So this is the glorification. Ashtavakra glorifying the jnani. Jnani is balanced mind. How much it is so balanced. Ahankara have to be negated and mamakara we have to negate. But vasana continues, rasa. And the rasa continues and that also have to drop. Niravarana drishtayaha. All the towards pair of opposites, they look at them as mithya. They cannot disturb the person. Can he or she avoid that sukha, dukkha, jaya, apajaya? Pair of opposites, no one can avoid. But he looks at them objectively. Next shloka. Samastam kalpana matram आत्मा मुक्तः सनातनः इति विज्ञाय धीरो हि किमभ्यस्यति बालवत् समस्तं कल्पनामात्रं samastam, the entire universe, everything, including this body mind complex, samastam, without exception. What is that? Kalpana matram, maya only. Kalpana means maya, mithya. Kalpana matram, sarvam, samasta means you take Brahmanda. Padosya vishva bhutani tripadasyaamritam divi. According to Shastra, Purusha Suktam says, what you are seeing, the Nama Rupa world, what you are seeing, what you are hearing, everything is only 1/4 in this Brahmanda. The whole Atma is all pervading. In that Atma, what you are seeing, what you are hearing, the Nama, Rupa, the things, objects, everything is occupying only 1/4. Padaha asya. Asya Brahmanaha Padaha eva Vishwa Bhutani. Tripada, 3/4 is Amrutam Brahma, Nirgunam Brahma, Satyavastu. This Nama Rupa, what we are seeing 1/4 also, you see the beauty here. 1/4 only Nama Rupa. All Nama Rupa means what? Entire Prapancha. Oceans, trees, animals, birds, 84 lakhs of species, everything. Everything is 1/4. In this 1/4 also you cannot see fully. You need a telescope, microscope. Even the telescope, microscope also some extent only you can see. You cannot see everything. Even what you are seeing also, it is not under your control. You cannot change it. It is beyond your control. What you are seeing, that 1/4 also. And what you are not seeing, that 3/4 is Atma Swarupam, which is not having any Nama Rupa there. This 1/4 itself is what we are seeing is Anatma. The 3/4 is Atma. In the 1/4 Anatma lo kuda Atma irukku. In Atma all pervading. In the 1/4 Nama Rupa appearing cannot touch me, the Atma. I am touch me not. Asparsha Yogam. I am Asparsha, not touched by. I means who am I? I, the consciousness, I am not touched by that. Body is afflicted by climate. Mind is afflicted by transactions. But I, the consciousness, am not afflicted. Therefore, samastam kalpana matram, like your dream water, dream rain makes you wet. You are dreaming, dream water can make you wet. Dream fire can burn you. Never. Then what? Dream, then Ashtavakra says, you say to this world also like that only. You must say one day, in spite of that, I am not touched by that. Who am I? Atma. Therefore he says, Atma Muktaha Sanatanaha. I am the ancient one all the time. This 1/4 is in Vekta form, Avekta form, let it be. Doesn't matter. When elephant is going, an elephant suppose, one fly is sitting. An elephant body, one fly is sitting. Like that, this whole universe is like a fly, and the Brahman, elephant. அதெல்லாம் சொல்லலை, நான் சொல்கிறேன் சும்மா. ஓகே, அந்த ஃப்ளை உட்கார்ந்தா என்ன ஆகும் எலிஃபெண்ட்டுக்கு? உட்கார்ந்தா உட்காரன்னா it cannot cause any pain to that elephant. அது மாதிரி don't extend the example, okay? Like that, I the Atma, I am Sanatanaha. When I am born, I the Atma, when I am born, Ajo Nityasashvatoyam Puranaha na hanyate hanyamani sarire. That is why I am Sanatanaha, birthless, ancient, birthless, Sanatanaha, Muktaha. I am free from birth, death, old age. I am free from birth, death, old age, disease, hunger, thirst. I am free from Muktaha. When I am Muktaha, Atma, I am Muktaha when I am ever Muktaha. If I am bound only, I have to become a Mukta. Now I have recognized I am ever free. Ever free. Atma Muktaha Sanatanaha. Who is this great, wonderful, beautiful Atma? I am. My real nature. In spite of Palluvali. In spite of Talavali. In spite of cold, I am Mukta Sanatanaha Atma. Meditate upon that. I am Muktaha. I am Sanatanaha. Iti Vijnaya Dhiraha. All the Ashtavakra students are courageous, bold. Here Dhiraha means Buddhiman. Dhiraha means literal meaning is Dhairyam, courage. What courage? Here, courage to claim I am Atman, I am the Adhishtanam of this universe. Mayeva Sakalam Jatam. I am need not afraid of anything to say Aham Eva Ishvaraha. Aham Eva Paramatma. I need not afraid to say that. Because from the Atma standpoint, I am the Jivatma, Paramatma only. That is called Dhiratvam. Vijnaya. Having understood, having known this Mukta Swarupam, Swarupam, Sanatana Swarupam, Kim Abhyasyati Balavat. What he has to learn, what he has to study, what he has to do. Kim Abhyasyati Balavat. Bala enna pannuva? Always doing something this and that. Bala, child. Like a child, Kim Abhyasyati. Everything is going on in me only. So, her beauty is my beauty. Her glory is my glory. His glory is my glory. If I am not able to talk in this class, in the other body I am talking. In many bodies I am talking. In many bodies I am singing. If I am not able to sing, I am singing through many bodies. If I am not able to run because of old age, many bodies, through many bodies I am running. If I am not having aeroplane, many people are having, I am having aeroplane in that body. If you go on saying like, you are not limited at all. Because from body standpoint you are limited. It has got its own limitation. Body limitation is not my limitation. So everyone, whatever they have, that all the good things, all are belong to me only. I am enjoying through that body. Kurai ஒன்றும் இல்லை. இதுதான் அந்த பாட்டுக்கு அர்த்தம். இது தெரிஞ்சு அந்த பாட்டு பாடணும். குறை ஒன்றும் இல்லை மறைமூர்த்தி கண்ணா, குறை ஒன்றும் இல்லை கண்ணா. இது தெரியாமல் அந்த பாட்டை பாடினா அது லிப் மூமெண்ட்டு. இப்போ நீங்கள் எல்லாம் பாடலாம். அப்போ அது மீனிங்ஃபுல்னா ஐ கேன் சிங், யூ ஆல் கேன் சிங். குறை ஒன்றும் இல்லை. இந்த பாடி ஸ்டாண்ட் பாயிண்ட் குறை இருக்கும், குறை இருந்துட்டே இருக்கும். ஈவன் பகவான் கிருஷ்ணா There are people to criticize Krishna. As Krishna body, Krishna was criticized. Rama was criticized. Till today, people are criticizing Rama. But as Atma, I am free from all those things. That's why from Upadhi Drishtya there is a limitation. From Atma Drishtya there is no limitation. Therefore, what we have to do? Two jobs. Disown body, mind, and own up Atma. Iti vijnaya dhiraha hi himabhyasyati. He means emphasis. Indeed. Himabhyasyati balavat nar. Kimapi na abhyasyati ityartha. What he can do? Next shloka. Shloka 8. Atma brahmeti nischitya bhava bhavau cha kalpitau nishkamah kim vijanati kim brute cha karoti kim. Atma Brahma iti. Mahavakyam. Atma, I the self, Jivatma, am Brahma. Aham Brahma asmi. The infinite Brahman I am. Iti. Within inverted commas. Atma Brahma is equal to Aham Brahma asmi. Iti. Thus. Atma Brahma put within inverted commas. Nischitya, having confirmed. Nischitya means confirm, convinced. Bhava abhavaucha kalpitau. Bhava means this relative world, nama rupa. Bhava means bhava padartha. Akasha, Vayu, Agni, Panchabhuta Shariram, Panchabhautika Shariram, Vyavaharika Prapancha, relative world. The world what I am experiencing is a Nama Rupa Prapancha. Why it is called relative world? Na? I am relating with that world. I am relating with the people. I am relating with the objects. My house, relation. My son, relation. My wife, relation. That is why the whole world is a relative world. I am a Asian, I am a Indian, I am related to India, relative world. Vyavaharika Prapancha. In Sanskrit, we call it as Vyavaharika Prapancha. In relation, relative world, I do what? Vyavahara. Therefore, it is called Vyavaharika Satyam. Bhava. Then Abhava. That which is not existent. Rabbit horn. Kapushpam. Flower in the sky. Is there? Kapushpam is there? Is there flower in the sky? Abhavaha. Cold fire is there? Cold fire. Hot ice cream is there? No. They are called abhavaha. Bhava, abhava. Relative and non-existent things, all of them kalpitaunar. They are all kalpitam. Superimposed. Nishkamaha kim vijanati. Nishkamaha means kamarahitaha ityarthaha. Desireless one, this jnani. Kim vijanati, kim brute, karoti kim karoti. Does he is desirous of knowing anything further? Does he desirous of anything further? Nothing is there to know. Whatever I know is mithya. What I need not know is Satyam, I am Atma, I have understood. Then what I have to know, tell me now. Kim vijanati. Further, there is no more to know. There is no desire to know further. Kim vijanati nishkamaha kim brute. There is no further talking also. What to talk? I, the Atma, need not talk. If whatever I talk is mithya, whatever I talk about anything, any padartha, is unreal only. So my talk is also unreal. What to talk? That's why Jnanis, very rarely they talk. Very rarely they talk. That if they ask something, they talk, that is also, they know while talking also, I am talking about Anatma nu theriyum avangalukku. That's why they won't have any interest in talking. Vada 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 nu pesinde irukka talkative anna engeyo tagararan artham. என்ன ஒன்றுமே இல்லை பேசுறதுக்கு. என்ன பேசணும்? என்ன இருக்க பேசுறதுக்கு? எதை பற்றி பேசணும்? ஆத்மா பற்றி பேச வேண்டிய தேவையில்லை. ஏன்னா நான் ஆத்மான்னு புரிஞ்சிட்டார். எதை பற்றி பேசினா கூட அது அனாத்மா ஆச்சு. அதில் தாத்பரியம் இல்லை. எதுக்காக பேசணும்? சும்மா இருந்து சுகம் பெறுன்னா உறக்க மாட்டோமே நம்ம. Maintain silence. You see the tremendous sadhana it is. It is the best sadhana. You can become introvert further more and more. Stop talking, unnecessary talking. Always. You see that your sadhana very very fast. கொஞ்ச நாள் பண்ணி பாருங்க, ட்ரை பண்ணுங்க. It's very difficult. Not so easy. Mauna Vratam. Next shloka we'll read. 9th sloka. Ayam sohamayam naham iti kshina vikalpanah sarvamatmeti nischitya tushnim bhutasya yoginah. There is nothing to solve. Once you get a jnanam, everything will dissolve. There is nothing to solve. You cannot solve also. I told you 1/4 anatma prapancha, that you cannot control it. It is unpredictable. It is not in your control also. This 1/4 nama rupa. Never struggle to change others. Therefore, change your perception. Change your perception towards the world. Otherwise, life is a struggle. In family, if you want to correct someone, you tell them 1 or 2 times. That's all. Never have expectation they should change if I say. You have done your duty over. That's all. Never have any sort of struggle in your mind. Mental struggle, mental pain. Leave it. Never have attachment. Adi pannanam, idi pannanam. Even some people, after coming to Vedanta also, we have, suppose, this is my target. I want to finish this. I want to finish that. You will be finished by that time. There is nothing to finish it. Everything is a sport. I want to finish it. This is my goal. This is my life achievement. Jnani doesn't have such type of finishing or achievement life goal. அது ஒரு type of again samsara. ஆனவருக்கு ஆகட்டும், வரவருக்கு வரட்டும், போனவருக்கு போகட்டும். என்ன ஒன்றுமே நஷ்டப்போகிறது இல்லை. என்னையோ அனாத்மா, என்னையோ மைண்ட்னஸ். தட் இஸ் த ப்ராப்ளம். ஐ வந்தாலே அவ்வளோதான், நிம்மதி போயிடும்னு அர்த்தம். அந்த ஐ ஹேவ் டு பிகம் ஸ்மால் ஐ. ஸ்மால் ஐன்னா அகங்கார இஸ் so much pervading to mamakara. It is a fattened ahankara. Fattened ahankara is a fattened mamakara anartham. Fattened mamakara means what? My family, my son, my daughter, my grandchildren, my possessions, and my property, mine. அதெல்லாம் இல்லாமல் எப்படி இருக்கும் சுவாமினி? அதுதான் அட்டாச்மெண்ட். அதுக்குள்ள அச்சீவ்மெண்ட்ஸ். இதுதான் லாஸ்ட் டார்கெட், லாஸ்ட் அச்சீவ்மெண்ட். இதுக்கு லாஸ்ட் அச்சீவ்மெண்ட்டு திருப்பி தட் பிகம் ஏ ஸ்ட்ரகிள், பெயின். தேர்ஃபோர் லீவ் இட் எவ்ரிதிங் பிராரப்தாய சமர்ப்பிதம் வபுஹு. லெட் இட் ஹேப்பன் வாட் இட் ஹேப்பன்ஸ். எவ்ரிதிங் இஸ் அஃப்கோர்ஸ் ட்ரீம் ஓன்லி. Let it happen what it happens. Tyaja dharmam adharmam dharmancha ubhe satyanrute tyaja ubhe satyanrute tyaktva yena tyajasi tattyaja. நான் அது விட்டுட்டேன் இது விட்டுட்டேன் அது விட்டுட்டேன்னு சொல்கிறது, அது விட்டுட்டேன்னு சொல்றியே அது விடு என்ன. சத்தியம் அன்ருத்தம் தர்மம் அதர்மம் இதெல்லாம் விட்டுட்டேன்னா அந்த அகங்காரம் விடப்பா. அதுதான் பவர்ஃபுல். Therefore, I am aham this, I am this, I am that. I am this, I am not this. Like that people have, no? I am this, I am not this. Aham, I am aham asmi na aham iti. Kshina vikalpanah. From whom they have gone. Vikalpanah na jiva bhavam. This Jagat, the world is there. Ishvara, all vikalpas, the divisions, the thoughts of divisions, gone from him. I am the nature of all pervading consciousness. Where is the question of division? Similarly, I am the only source of happiness. Swamiji says 5 capsules and solluvar. I am all pervading consciousness everywhere. I am the source of even relative happiness. I am the source of even the relative security. I am the source of even peace. நானே அதுக்கு கொடுக்கும்போது எனக்கிட்ட எவ்வளோ செக்யூரிட்டி, எவ்வளோ பீஸ், எவ்வளோ ஹாப்பினஸ் இருக்கணும். நான் கடன் கொடுக்குறேன், என்ன 1 லட்சம் கொடுக்குறேன்னு நினச்சிக்கோங்களே. எனக்கு லட்சமே நான் கொடுக்கும்போது எவ்வளோ பணம் இருக்கணும் என்கிட்ட. How much rich I am. If I give 1 lakh to you, how much rich I must be. Similarly, I am giving Pratibimbananda, simple little security, little peace நான் கொடுக்குறேன். யாரு? நான் ஆத்மா. I am the source, repository. எனக்கிட்ட தான் இருக்கு ஆத்மா, ஆனந்தம் எல்லாமே, திருப்தி, செக்யூரிட்டி எல்லாமே. நான் கொஞ்சம் கொஞ்சம் கொடுத்துன்னு இருக்கேன். If I go into that source, what? Permanent peace, permanent happiness, permanent security. அதுக்காக என்ன பண்ணணும்? போகணுமா எங்கேயாவது மேலே? அத்ரைவ. You recognize that. I am that source of permanent PHS. By mere third capsule, by my mere presence, the entire matter is functioning. By mere presence, the matter is enlivening. It is enlivened by me. The entire matter, Jada Prapancham, this body, entire world, by my mere presence. Atma Chaitanyena Sarvam Jadam Chetanam Bhavati. At the same time, fortunately, that enlivened matter cannot afflict me, the consciousness. It is enlivened by me, but it cannot touch me. That is the nature. Body, through this body I experience the material world, material universe. I make the matter enlivening the matter, and I experience the matter, material world, through this body. I enliven the body, through this matter body I experience the world. கஷ்டமாக இருக்கோ? கஷ்டமாக இருக்காது. So, therefore, I am not affected by the matter, by any event happening in the material world. I am not affected by any event happening in the material world because I am only giving existence to the world. How can it afflict me? It cannot afflict me. நானே ஒரு டைகர் பிரம்ம பண்ணி am I afraid of that tiger? Never. அது மாதிரி. Okay. அது மாதிரி. அதான். If I forget this, fifth capsule, by forgetting this, my real nature, my life is a struggle. By forgetting my real nature, I am converting my life into a struggle. By remembering my real nature, I am converting my life as an entertainment. By remembering Ashtavakra Gita, I am making my life, converting my life into an entertainment. Now tell me, life is struggle or entertainment? If you remember your real nature, it is an entertainment. If you forget your real nature, it is struggle. It is your choice. Try up to next week. Purnamada Purnamidam Purnat Purnamudachyate Purnasya Purnamadaya Purnamevavasishyate. Om Shanti Shanti Shanti. Harihi Om. Shri Gurubhyo Namaha. Harihi Om.